Hello people, welcome to my first vlog. This winter really changed my sleep cycle. So I have a party now and it's snowy outside. So I have to wear something special. From Landman Wagon 12, I have to go to Studentkåren pub where we'll have so many activities and games. So I have to go by walk. I don't have bus pass or cycle. Meanwhile, you can see beautiful snow. Now let's go to Studentkåren pub and see 8 pool ball game. After few games, we all decided to go to the Karaoke Night, and which is at the Brasseriet pub, and it is near the city center of Trollhättan. I am very excited to go there as it's my first experience. So this is the city center. What a beautiful view. As it's a Christmas, it is all decorated with the lights and then Christmas tree, and you can see Santa Claus statue there with the lights. Marvelous, stunning views. Okay, now it's time for I got call from my friend Victor. He called me to Mission Kyrka, which is missionary church. So you can see the route in the map. I have to go by walk. It's very nearby. Now you can see some visuals of this church. So they decorated it with all the candles and lights and with some statues. So aesthetically it looks very good. You can see it. And this is the entrance. So we decided to go to the biggest church in the Trollhättan. So we have to cross this bridge and then go through all this route and to this point. Yeah, lake is fully covered with ice.
ఇలాంటప్పుడే మనం అడుగు ఆచి తూచి వేయాలి.
Oh, entire lake is frozen. Yes. Crazy. Babu, idu.
खत्म.
This is the bridge I was talking in the route map. You can see very beautiful lake view.
ఆహా ఏం అందం ఏం సొందం.
Wow, nice. Wow, nice. Wow, nice.
with all the lights. It's very good, and we have to go this straight way.
తాత
ఆ,
ఏంటన్నా అలా నడుస్తున్నావు?
ఇలాంటప్పుడే మనం అడుగు ఆచి తూచి వెయ్యాలి.
ఆచి
అది ఎక్కడ రా చచ్చు?
మోస్ట్ హారిఫిక్ వేలా వెళ్తున్నాం మనం.
అవునా?
ఎస్,
రిటర్న్ అలా వద్దామా?
రిటర్న్ స్ట్రైట్ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు.
ఎలా? అటు నుంచి అలా వేయా?
ఉంది అటు నుంచి, బట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బాగుంది భయ్యా. మాట్లాడుతుంటే స్మోక్ చూడు ఎట్ట వచ్చేస్తుంది.
మంచు పడితే ఇంకా బాగుండేది, వైట్గా ఉండేది మొత్తం రాత్రులు కూడా.
అప్పుడు ఇది క్లియర్ ఉండేది కదా మనకి వెళ్ళడానికి. ఇప్పుడేమో నల్లగా ఉంది కొంచెం, ఏమంటారు డార్క్నెస్. పైగా
లైట్లు వేస్తేనే కొంచెం క్లారిటీ ఉంది
అంతే. రియల్లీ డిఫరెంట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. వీఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ నియర్ టు ద చర్చ్.
ఇటలీ, ఫ్రాన్స్ బాగా గట్టిగా ట్రైన్స్ అవుతాయంట.
స్ట్రైట్ ఫైనల్లీ చర్చ్ on 25th December. Biggest church in entire Trollhättan. Finding a way in polar nights. Oh ma. కాదు సీసీ కెమెరా అబ్బా. ఎవడొచ్చినా లైట్ ఆన్ అవుద్ది పదా. బిగ్గెస్ట్ చర్చ్ ఇన్ Trollhättan.
So for Christmas lunch, I called my friend Victor, and we are making the chicken sausage curry. And here you can see that curry we are using for making chicken sausage lasagna. You can see all the cheese that is being cooked. Yes, the cooking is done. I can't wait to taste this. With all the cheese.
Yeah, boy.
My mouth is watering so much. I can't explain it.
Yeah, boy.
ఖతం.
After lunch, I got invite from my other friends group, Job Matthew, and some Nepali friends. So we all planned a trip to Gothenburg. Initially it rained, but then after some time it was normal. So we all decided to go to a Japanese restaurant and have a sushi for dinner. So you can see this is polar night, and now it's 3 p.m. and you can see there is no sun, and it's very different experience for me in the first time.
So you guys are going on Thursday?
Yeah, we are actually planning to go. I mean by train or something. Because in Move about it is costing more, like for 2 days.
If you plan on weekend, it will be cheaper.
Yeah, but the weekend it's New Year, no?
Yes.
That is the problem.
But it makes sense to go on weekend rather than on weekday.
Finally, after 1 hour, we reached Gothenburg. This is the city center, and now we want to get down from the car and see the beautiful city view. So, this is the city center view. So, I'm actually in love with this city. What a beautiful city! Very beautiful sceneries, beautiful weather, and very beautiful people. And this is the city center station, central station of the Gothenburg city. You can see Santa Claus. So to all the viewers, I want to give a very small bite of the sushi. You can have it. I hope it tasted better. So after having sushi, we went to Trollhättan, and then I wanted to do a experiment with hot water in this.
Hot water. Hot water. కనబడట్లేదు.
కనిపిస్తుంది.
యా.
So after first attempt, we failed to freeze the hot water. Now let's do the.
కూల్ వాటర్ చేస్తే ఇంకా బాగుతుందేమో.
We started doing some random walk in the Chrono Garden, which is near London. So I could hear some weird sounds, and the environment is getting very weird. So I could hear some very weird sounds in the background.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.